We've all operated machines and cabs that really didn't protect you from the outside conditions. By the end of the day, you were as dirty and dusty and as uncomfortable as you would have been without a cab. It doesn't have to be that way. Today's loader cabs are better than ever. They all look similar on paper, but we'll show you how the BOBCAT pressurized cab is truly best in class, minimizing dirt, dust, and sound, and keeping you more comfortable. This device, called a manometer, will compare the pressure difference inside and outside the cab. A higher value indicates better pressurization, leading to a cleaner, quieter working environment. We'll put them to the test to see who has the best pressurized cab. Your door is the biggest source of dust and dirt, and that's where the BOBCAT pressurized cab stands out. Check out this exclusive curved pocket design. You get double the contact between the door seal and machine frame, with no welds or seams to let the pressure out. It engages the door gasket on the front and the sides, much like a car or truck door. This door seal and the extra time taken sealing the rest of the gabs throughout the cab minimize dirt and dust. All M-Series loaders are checked when they come off the line to make sure you get best-in-class pressurization to help give you the best cab you deserve. Let's look at the manometer reading. To achieve pressurization, we are looking for a reading of 0.2 or higher. All BOBCAT M-Series loaders are tested at the factory to meet this standard. This BOBCAT loader had a reading of higher than 0.2 on the manometer. This is best-in-class pressurization. Look at the design on the similar-sized John Deere machine. They attempt to gain pressurization by having the gasket seal around a flat surface. Look closer and you can see that this surface is far from flat. They are joining a big weld here, and another one here, and a large gap where this lower grade plastic cowling meets the metal. Check out how much movement there is in the plastic by just touching it. This acts more like a screen door than a pressure seal. Don't try this with your BOBCAT loader. John Deere achieved a reading of little more than 0.1 on the manometer. The BOBCAT loader has twice the pressurization as John Deere. You will be more comfortable in BOBCAT loaders. Caterpillar has the same poor design as John Deere, with a flat gasket that attempts to seal on an uneven surface. There's a seam here and here on both sides of the door. When you close the door, you can see how this weld causes a poor seal. And the screw head is right in the path of the gasket. And look at the gap in the seal. Time hasn't been very friendly to this gasket. I can't imagine it will pass our pressurization test. And don't try this on the BOBCAT loader. This Caterpillar loader didn't even pressurize. 0.04 is the reading. That does not meet the standards set by BOBCAT. They might get some level of pressurization at the factory, but poor sealing leads to lack of pressurization over time. This Takeuchi door seal is a little odd. It has 4 gaskets, one across the top, one on each side, and this one up here tries to seal the bottom when it moves with the door. It's flawed from the very start. The seal is on the front side of the door through here, and then it switches to the back side here. My guess, this isn't going to work so well. Let's check it out with the manometer. Takeuchi had a negative pressure. That means it actually sucks dust into your cab. Nothing like working inside a vacuum cleaner. Here is a chart summarizing results of this test. Compact track loaders extend your working season, and that means operating in more dirt, dust, mud, and debris. Seal away those conditions with the best pressurized cab you can buy and stay warmer or cooler when you want it. And yes, that's another BOBCAT advantage.